Gold prices traded with moderate bearishness while silver is stayed almost flat throughout Asia and Europe session. Now, what to expect from gold and silver with the US session? With the tariffs deadline coming in, can we expect volatility here? Can we expect a drop in metals, or there is going to be a rise with the rising uncertainty? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US session from across geographies. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, when you see gold on the hourly charts, you can right now observe that it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. It is very, very important for gold to trade below 3350 and 3340 zone. Right now, we can see we have seen prices dropping all the way towards 3358.60. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned you can take a sell when you see the price is trading below 3372.70 zone and expect it to move towards 3360.58. And the next targets are towards now 3350. Now, once it trades below 3358, you can take a sell and expect it to drop towards 3350, and then 3340 is also very much possible. Stochastic oversold, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is dropped here. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at 2-hour charts, similar observation here. It is very, very important for you to note, see this is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now, once it trades below 3350, then you can confirm that it is going to give you a breakout move, and very, very important for gold to trade below 3340 in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Else, do not treat gold as bearish as long as 3340 is not taken. Stochastic, coming to the bottom, the MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also trading bearish here. On the 3-hour, now similar observation, see one bullish candle retracement, again bullish candle retracement. It is the second attempt by gold to trade lower, but again the supports are pretty strong here. Now it is trading below 20 period, that is a bearish sign. I'll definitely watch out if it trades below 3358. Think till 3350-52 it has got very good support, and then I will say till 3340 you have to watch out. Similar levels, yes, the same levels proving out to be a greater resistance level for gold on the downside. Stochastic has dropped to the bottom. Look at MACD after rising here, crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. What has happened, it has got lot much of room available on the upside. So once it starts to slide lower, we are looking forward to a greater downside here. Be mindful of this. Stronger the rise, stronger the fall could be. RSI has dropped, again a slight bearish sign. On the 4-hour charts, now it is important to note on the 4-hour charts, 20 period is offering it a very, very good support. And notice the moving average is crossing over here. It's a bullish sign here. But the other way to look at it here is lower highs here and lower lows here, and gold is trading in this bearish channel. Only reversal confirmation in gold is if you see it is staying beyond 3400. Yes, if the price trades beyond 3400, you should just stay bullish from there. Expect 3420, 3440 and 3450 levels. I'll say I'll say the prospects are less, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. And the vice versa, if it has seen a good rise, it can drop sharp as well. Now I'll just wait for it to trade below the zone, which is a critical milestone. The stochastic bearish, the MACD. Look at MACD after a good rise, now crossing over here. What has happened here can get replicated here as well. Bearish sign, just one candle after the crossover. It may continue, and there could be a series of bearish candles. RSI looking downwards, trading bearish here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice, see how gold has been trading. First of all, here we have seen lower highs. Now, if it is a reversal, you can see this is how it has been trading. This could be accelerated bearish channel here. Again, I'm warning you for this because once it starts to slide, it is going to deliver a massive move here, and specifically a move below 3340 is what you should watch out for, below which you can expect 3320 and 3300. And this time gold trading below 3300, expect 3280, 3250 levels very, very soon, if not today. And hence today's move is going to be pretty important. But see what's happening on the daily chart. See, for the last two candles, higher lows are seen. The support is getting stronger here. I'll definitely watch out how it behaves around 3350 and then 3340 zone. Till then, it is not bearish. Stochastic overbought. MACD crossed over here, trading in green here, and the RSI flat. So now, before I give you the level, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, which I think you should learn this art of trading before jumping into the ocean, which is called trading, you should have all the tools, techniques, and strategies such that you can identify the profitable trades with ease and trade with profits. Join my next mentorship batch. 34th batch starts 1st of September. Join it today. Connect with me. Write an email. Ping me or Telegram for your queries. Reserve your seats now itself. We only take limited entries. And else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals also you can profit. Again, connect with me for a queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, zero commissions. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now first thing is where to buy. Now I'll recommend you to buy if you see now gold trading about 3368.5 and then expect, see, the upside resistances are going to be very close. First at 33.72.74, this is the first resistance zone, then second one at 33.78.80, and then the last one at 33.85.86. If these three levels are taken, if you see gold trading above 33.85, stay bullish, possibility will be high that we may see gold at 3400. Till 3400, do not treat this as bullish. Prices can reverse any point of time. On the downside, when you see the higher prices below 33.58, you can take a sell. Expect 33.50, 52 the first target zone, and today if gold trades below 33.50, 52, expect it to slide all the way towards 33.40, 42 zone, and if that is taken, I think a greater slide is awaited towards 3320, 3300, 3280 or 3250 levels very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. See how silver has been trading. See rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. This is the third time it is attempted, but right now it is also delivering higher lows, higher highs. Very important for silver to trade now below 3370 and 3350 levels. The first target zone 3770 and 3750, sorry, and then 3730. Three key levels here: 3770, 50 and 30. If at all it trades below 3750 30 zone, you can just stay short. It is heading towards 37. Right now it is not showing so aggressive bearishness, but when you look at the chart, see how strong is the resistance on the upside. It has traded within a range for a while, and now it has breached this, trying to show a pullback. I will just wait. If it starts to rise above 3790, you can initiate a buy. Moving average is bullish. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD right now trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI trading bearish. Signs are still right now pretty much bearish. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observations. See the swing here, then again a swing candle. Now it has started on a flat note. It might look downwards. I will say it might breach 3760, 3750 zone, but I'll say till 3710, 3730, you have to be careful with the sells. Till 3730, it is not to be treated bearish here. This zone between 3750 and 30 is very critical for silver to break below. As long as it stays above this zone 3750, 3730, you have to be careful with the sells. The stochastic almost flat. The MACD is on the just crossed over here, and this is a slight bearish sign. This suggests that the next forthcoming candles might turn red, might stay red. RSI very much flat near to the top here. Coming to 3 hour chart, see the 3 hour charts here. Resistance on the upside pretty strong. Support here also is pretty strong. I'll just watch out if it stays below 3770. You can take a sell. I'll definitely watch out if it tries to break 3750, the first target zone, 3730 the next. Notice what's happening in silver. Drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, and see still delivering lower highs, lower lows. So now if it trades below 3730, remember the downside is wide open. We can expect a greater correction, though the moving averages have crossed over here on the buy side, and it's a bullish sign. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. RSI is flat. On the 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Notice greater swing. Also look at the preceding candle. It has just kissed the 100 period and now trying to recover. I'll definitely watch out where the current candle takes. Now if it stays above 38, we can expect bullishness here, but moreover it has to trade now beyond 38, 25, 30. That is the only level beyond which you can say now this is a reversal. If at all silver trades above 38.30, possibly this could be a signal of reversal. Else what's happening? It is trading very much in this bearish channel. Moving average is starting to converge. Stochastic overbought. MACD has retraced. It is trading in green. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, look at the move here. One single bearish candle, and see, notice this drop. Support from 20 period, again a retracement, then drop. Support from 50 period, again a retracement. So now how I see this as a possible retracement or possible bearish channel which it is trying to create, and that is why I say only reversal confirmation in silver is only if you see it trading beyond 38.20, 38.30 zone, which is going to be greater resistance anyways. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over, and the RSI is flat. So considering this, what I'll recommend, in fact, if you see it is staying above 37.90, when you see the lower prices above 37.90, initiate a buy for 38.05, 38.10 as the first target zone very nearby, and then 38.25.30. If 38.30 is taken, it's a reversal. We will see silver heading towards 38.55.60 and $39 zone very, very soon. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry. In fact, when you see silver trading below 37.70, you can take a sell. When you see the higher prices below 37.70, stay with the shorts here. Expect 37.50, 37.30. And if 37.30 is taken, the next targets are towards 37.10, 37. And this is the zone which silver has to break below in order to confirm further business. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. What that is. Thank you.